Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Maya Arista Octavia. Today I would like to present a topic, networking model in Cisco Packet Tracer. Networking model definition. A networking model is a concept in network architecture that is used as a standard in the process of communication between devices in a network. Definition. Before the networking model existed, each vendor owned its own networking model. Because each vendor has a different networking model, communication between vendors is difficult. This network would be difficult to understand and implement. There are two networking models. Currently, networking uses the TCP/IP model. On the other hand, because the OSI model is more complex, it is often used for the education purpose. OSI model. The OSI model was developed by the International Organization for Standardization as a framework for networking different systems in a network. TCP/IP model, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. The TCP/IP model, also known as the Internet Protocol, is the foundation of the Internet network and is designed to be simpler than the OSI model with only four layers. Main function of the OSI model: help in understanding and designing complex networking model systems. How TCP/IP networking model? Splitting data into small packets. The first step is splitting data into small packets before streaming them to other media. OSI TCP/IP model structure. TCP/IP model structure. 1. Application layer provides an interface between the user and application or end-user device to communicate over the network protocol. TCP/IP application layer communication process according to HTTP. TCP/IP model structure. Transport layer, responsible for managing data delivery and ensuring reliable communication between applications on different hosts. Main protocol TCP and UDP. TCP/IP model structure. TCP Transmission Control Protocol. TCP uses a connection. Data is sent in sequence. It prevents lost data and makes it easier to detect and correct errors. The disadvantage is that there is a lot of two-way communication between both parties, so it takes longer. TCP/IP model structure. Main functionalization of the TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model focuses more on functionality and efficiency compared to the OSI model with the following main functionalization. TCP/IP networking layer. The network layer is the process in which every computer device is assigned an identity in the form of its IP address. TCP/IP networking layer. For the network layer, there is only one example, which is IP. IP provides two very important features, namely addressing and routing. Data link and physical layer. The data link layer defines the protocol required at the physical layer. One of the features in the data link layers, which is an error detection mechanism, encapsulation and decapsulation. On the sender's computer, the process of breaking data into smaller packages occurs, with each packet being named differently according to its respective layer. Encapsulation and decapsulation. Data packet fragmentation, encapsulation, data packet transmission. Encapsulation and decapsulation, sender receiver. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.